Join me as I take on the ultimate challenge of surviving a storm while sharing powerful life lessons that can help us weather any storm in life. Life is full of challenges, and sometimes these challenges can feel like a storm, overwhelming, scary, and uncertain. But what if we could learn to navigate through these storms to find the strength and growth in adversity? Personal loss can be one of the most devastating storms we face. Losing a loved one, a relationship, or a part of ourselves can leave us feeling lost and alone. Job struggles are another storm many of us face, whether it's unemployment, a toxic work environment, or feeling unfulfilled in our careers. Health issues can also be a major storm, affecting not just our physical well-being but also our mental and emotional health. Financial struggles are yet another storm that can be overwhelming, making it hard to make ends meet and plan for the future. These storms can be all-consuming, making it hard to see a way out. We might feel like we're drowning in our problems, like the storm is too much to handle. But it's in these moments that we have a choice to let the storm define us, or to find a way to rise above it. We can start by acknowledging our emotions, by giving ourselves permission to feel the pain and the fear. We can also reach out for support, whether it's a trusted friend or family member, a therapist, or a support group. As we navigate through these storms, we can learn valuable lessons about resilience, about perseverance, and about the importance of self-care. We can learn to prioritize our well-being, to take care of our physical, emotional, and mental health. We can learn to reframe our challenges, to see them as opportunities for growth and learning. By shifting our mindset, we can begin to see the storm as a chance to discover new strengths, new passions, and new purposes. Finding strength and growth in adversity is a powerful lesson that can change our lives. It's a lesson that reminds us that we are capable of overcoming even the toughest challenges. It's a lesson that teaches us to be brave, to be resilient, and to be open to new experiences. As the Japanese proverb says, fall down 7 times, stand up 8. This proverb reminds us that it's not about avoiding the storms, but about learning to rise above them, to find the strength and the courage to keep going. We can also find inspiration in the stories of others who have survived their own storms. We can learn from their experiences, from their struggles and their triumphs. We can see that we're not alone, that we're part of a community that has faced similar challenges and has come out stronger on the other side. By sharing our own stories, we can inspire others to do the same, to find the courage to keep going even in the midst of the storm. The lessons we learn from surviving storms can stay with us for a lifetime, reminding us of our strength and our resilience. They can teach us to approach challenges with a sense of curiosity, with a sense of adventure, and with a sense of purpose. They can remind us that we're not just survivors, but thrivers, capable of overcoming even the toughest storms and emerging stronger, wiser, and more compassionate. In the end, it's up to us to choose how we respond to the storms in our lives. We can let them break us, or we can use them as opportunities for growth and learning. By choosing to rise above the storm, we can find a sense of peace, a sense of purpose, and a sense of fulfillment that we never thought possible. Remember, every storm will pass, and the sun will shine again. Life is full of storms, but it's also full of beauty, wonder, and joy. By learning to navigate through the challenges, we can find the strength and the courage to live a life that's authentic, meaningful, and fulfilling. If you've survived a storm in your life, share your story with us in the comments below. Your story could be the inspiration someone else needs to keep going. And if you're looking for more motivational content, be sure to check out our other videos for inspiration and guidance on your journey.